everyone, and welcome back to Easy Art for You. Today, we're drawing a super cute and colorful kawaii gummy bear, the perfect mix of sweet and squishy. This fun step-by-step tutorial is great for artists of all ages who love candy-inspired characters. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our deliciously cute drawing videos. And here's a question for you. If you could bring any candy to life as a kawaii character, what would it be? Tell us in the comments, we might draw it in a future video. Let's grab our pencils and start drawing this sweet little gummy bear. Sweet work! Artists, your kawaii gummy bear looks absolutely adorable and totally tasty. Thanks so much for drawing with us today on Easy Art for You. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other kawaii drawing tutorials. There's a whole world of cute and creative fun waiting for you. Keep drawing, stay sweet, and we'll see you in the next video.